part one of Declan Tibble and Juan Garcia's final FRQ. FRQs plural. So this is the feeder class. The feeder class is meant to simulate a number of days that food is found in a bird feeder for both birds and bears. So these are two private integers here, and as you can see, I'll be sure to attach screenshots so you can read through the comments, but basically we create a new feeder object here. This is where we decide how much food we're going to put, and this goes into the constructor down here, as you can see. This determines if a day is normal or abnormal. On an abnormal day, a bear will come and eat all the food out of the feeder. This is a simulation for one day. If it's a normal day, random number of food per bird will be generated, and then that will be subtracted from the current food. This prevents the food from going negative. If it's a non-normal day, the current food will be set to 0 because a bear ate it all. Simulate multiple days. This is a day ticker to make sure that it doesn't go over the number of days, which is determined right here in this this little statement here. Then this adds a day, displays the number of days, and then simulates one day repeatedly for all the days. If all the food is gone, it will break early. So I will make another video where I will run this to demonstrate how it all works. Okay, I'm going to do it in the same video actually. So we're going to press run. Our feeder class here. It's going to take a minute. Okay. So let's say in this instance we're going to put 1,000 grams of food in the feeder. How many birds? Let's go with 4. And then we'll start by simulating one day. And at the end of this day, there are 868 grams of food left in the feeder. Now we'll run again. Let's put 1,000 grams again. Let's put 5 birds this time. And we're going to simulate multiple days. So how about 4 days? Looks like food was found in the feeder on all 4 days. And then I'll run it one more time. See if we can get a bear attack. So we'll go 1,000 food again. How many birds visit the feeder per day? Let's go 4 this time. Simulate multiple days, and let's simulate out 10 days. Actually, let's go 15. Just see it run all the way to the end. So as we can see, by day 11, the feeder is empty. There was no bear attack, but the birds simply ate all the food. So even though we set it to run for 15 days, food was found on 11 days, so the code ends there. Alright, so I ran the code a couple more times off screen just so I could get this output to show you. The percentage chance is low, so that's why it took a while, but as we can see here, on day 10 of this simulation, there was a bear attack, resulting in no food being left in the feeder, and therefore the code ends early on 10 days. That is the end of this program. Thank you very much.